gonna kick in OBS, so if we drop some frames or something, it'll be interesting to see if we're overloading it, because... Oh, there you are. I'm tracking you again for once. Oh, you're moving quick. Are you using your boost?
No.
Okay. Something's going on with my... Yeah, I'm picking up... oh, I'm hitting my own bullets. Okay. Like you said, the spawn point's too close. I need to do the trick I did with the cameras. I hit my own bullets when I go fast. Whoops. Whoa. One of those came pretty close to you. Yeah, that new position for the boost, I'm not liking it too much, but... Whoa, totally lost control of that. Where are you? Oh, you're up there. Why does it tell me you're there when actually you're over there? There we go. Whoa.
Beside you.
Yeah, you knocked me right off. Whoa.
Trying to crash into you. It's really
Looks like we were. It looked like we were stuck together with elastic on my screen. I just thought of something. Is my gamepad fucking? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's boost over to where you are. Oh, you can't fly to the edge of the universe anymore, Jim. Sorry. It moves with you.
It moves with you.
Yeah, to a certain degree. Yeah, it's lerped.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. We left the rocks somewhere. Oh, they're there. So you fly back at me, you'll be flying back at the center of the universe. You really get some speed on. You notice how far up the scale your speed will go if you really bump it. It's pretty crazy. The circle will go right back around if you boost long enough. Oh, there you are. Oh, I suppose I should have had it printing range out too. That would have been cool. Yeah, I boosted right past the rocks on the other side. A little dumb. This is where space brakes are handy. See, I can actually find you now that you can actually select a target. Remember how impossible that was when we had nothing to lock with? But yeah, I totally have to, Are you alright, dude? Or are you just, okay. It looked like you were rolling away aimlessly like you bounced off something.
No, I was just testing the range of my controls.
Oh yeah. Are you using a pad or just joystick? Or keyboard, sorry.
I'm going entirely keyboard.
Same
I'd
here
much
right now.
prefer if the what's currently on the UI select or UI arrow stuff, the arrow keys, was the mouse instead, somehow.
Oh yeah, I'll be doing that.
And a suggestion, maybe move the camera up above the craft, so you're not looking right at the
Right down the barrel, yeah.
right at the origin point.
Well, it also needs an inside camera, the first person mode. Whoa, holy fork.
But the idea is if you pull it up a little bit, you can put a crosshair.
Yep.
And then, you know, selecting and stuff isn't terrible.
Actually, I want to see something. Something I never checked. What does my spotlight look like on your ship? Oh, geez, it looks pretty good. Also, you're moving smoothly for me. I don't know if I'm moving smoothly for you.
Put it this way. It loaded instantly, and it's better than GTA already.
Only because it knows if you plugged in a joystick or not. Yeah, if you fire off some of your bullets. I see them from mine. Yeah, they're spawning from the wrong location, but God, they look pretty good. Oh, and bullets can be tinted using the same tint system that the thrusters use. Whoa, that looks like a shmup set free in 3D. Whoa, 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 whoa. Something hit me. Something hit me and imparted a lot of friggin' rotation. One of them must have winged me. Yeah, it's pretty wild when you see like a stream of them here. I'll see if I can fire out a stream for you. Let's do like a... Yeah, they're hitting my ship, that's what it is. So like you said, we gotta do the launch point. We gotta launch them like real missiles or something.
Yeah, and they always spawn at that
Yeah,
point.
it knocks me right the fuck around when I hit one.
Plus, then you can actually line it up with wherever the model's barrel is. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. So that's your 2-part track set that's running right now. With this,
It needs less drum.
You think?
You're drawing 2 sets of the UI.
Yeah.
Is that intentional? They're offset now on my screen.
What is?
The actual UI elements.
Really?
I'm seeing 2 different lines, 2 sets of speed panel.
Uh-oh. That's not normal. There should only be 1 set. There can only be 1. Oh, you know, I know why yours. When all the bullets we just shot go away, they'll come back to the world. The bullets really don't. The UI runs in immediate mode, so they're really affected by that. So the network link. Oh, by the way, you see all your bullets moving in space, right? You see all your own bullets, right?
Yep.
Okay. Every one of those bullets are being rendered through my server. The motion you're seeing isn't being processed in your computer, it's being processed in mine.
I'm pushing
Remember
the
when
space as fast as I can.
Remember when you said about we'd have room for packets?
Yeah.
Every one of those bullets sends almost the exact same packet as one of these ships, including
like
color. They can change color on the fly.
Like I said, we got the bandwidth.
Yeah. Now it's just ironing out the little things. Anyhow, dude, that's where it's at. We just gotta, we gotta find.
Image of the bug.
We gotta what?
You see it?
I'll see what.
The speedometer thing on the left.
Oh yeah. You trying to peg it out?
No. Did you see it in the screenshot I sent you?
Oh, hang on. Sorry. Didn't think to check the screenshot. GM screenshots. Where did you post it?
Directly to you.
Oh, okay. Open original. Oh yeah. You getting some
Whoa.
You getting some shake and bake.
No. That's
What?
not what it is.
What?
Caught it backing up. Check that out.
Oh, it's updating faster than the. They're being drawn by a projection. I forgot to tell you that. They're relative to a projection on the screen. Oops. I'm drawing 2D backwards.
Dude. I see little tiny specks from every single bullet I've ever sent out.
Yeah, they'll die soon.
No, look, they're coming back. What the heck?
Where? Show me. Fly at them.
I'm at 'em.
I'll follow you.
Your bullets are still there?
There's
Every single one of them is still there.
Well, you just found a bug, because on my screen they're cleaned up. You know what it is? I have to... You know what I forgot to do? And why you're getting some tearing? I didn't propagate the... Yeah, that's awesome. Here, I'm going to pop that up here for anybody watching. Because I'm still recording this. This is so you guys can see. That's what Jim sees, guys. That's pretty epic. Yeah, do you know what wasn't done? You just pointed out the bug of something I overlooked tonight. I don't have a despawn for the bullets for the clients. So anything you create, or I create, never hits 0 in life for you. Only me. I forgot to put the despawner.
I am slowly losing frames per second.
So you know what's happening is every one of those bullets is still talking to me back to you.
Is it lagging for you yet?
No, you're smooth. Your motion is smooth for me. But you're gonna have a hard time.
Rendering slowdowns.
Oh, no.
Because I'm drawing all those.
Yeah, that's why. You got all those draw calls stacked up.
Here. Here's another screenshot that needs to be seen.
Alright.
It's really hard to see. You gotta get in real close. All those little extra specks that look like a constellation of some kind. Yeah, bullets.
Oh wow. Dude, you've got a trail through the universe.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Oh my god. Wow. There's a trail through the universe.
Like, if that's really sending the same data that every player does,
Oh, I'll show you.
we can do 100-player battles.
Well, maybe, once we get the other stuff. If you help me with the rotation, wow, you just went whipping by. If we get it sorted out for the rotation, like you said, it's order of operations on the transforms and the quads, so...
I'm gonna try to bump some bullets.
They should respond to you, but not nicely.
They are static bodies.
They are now.
Huh.
You can't move them, can you?
No, I cannot.
Yeah, they've come to a complete stop. They should have despawned for you, but no, they've turned as solid as those stones. They're no different than smacking into an asteroid. Well, the screenshot you posted is pretty epic. I have once again polluted space. I don't know if you saw that video I uploaded, and I was looking at all the junk everywhere. I was like, I've polluted my space.
I bet I can get a better screenshot.
I have once again polluted space.
Yeah.
Except in this case, I polluted your reality. Rick would be proud. Rick would be so proud. I only
Well,
polluted.
there's a whole line of them over here. What the heck? Well, that's a lot of them.
Yeah, you have a whole line of them in space. I looked at them. You got all these giant S-curves and everything in them. Pretty crazy. What kind of frames are you getting?
I'm having some trouble when I look at the bunch of them in this direction. Because there's so many.
My 1050 hasn't passed 800 megahertz. Hasn't even woken up. So, and that's encoding video. Anyhow, dude, I'm gonna have to wrap this video up, so I'm just gonna say, hey guys, if you've been watching this long, you definitely like this kind of stuff. This is Jim in tonight. He's the guy that's done the music for most of the other videos. Some crappy stuff I put on and my own stuff, but a lot of the music has been there. This is probably a good example of a playtest with some guns working. And yes, I've polluted space again. Anyhow, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.